Man, do you guys know how hard it is to find Chevy Beauville parts that you need, especially in the color that you want? There really aren't any like reproduction parts made out there or manufactured, so we really had to do some digging. We found what we were looking for, and so since selling the green van, we've had time to really focus and figure out what we wanted to do with this thing. We thought you guys might want to check out what we have found so far. Now, when we found this van, it was thrashed. But we took the time to clean it out, take out the nasty carpet, clean up all the dirt, really figure out what we wanted to do with it. We found a good setup, including this rad bench seat. And it's not perfect, but it's gonna work for what we wanna do. So I guess I'll get up and show you guys everything we found. So what we did is we found another G20 close enough in color, and we got some interior pieces from it. So these plaid seats somewhat match the plaid front seats that are already in this. The plaid isn't exact, but it's pretty dang close. Got some new armrests here. All of these interior panels, so like I said, it's not going to be perfect. These are for power windows and locks, but we're going to figure it out and make it work. These speakers to me are adorable, and I really hope we can figure out how to make those actually work. The new door trim pieces, well, new old, but much better than what we had. These are still nice and shiny. The ones we had were pretty dang crusty. These are the old plastic turns for the back of the interior. These are from, you can see that these ones are not great, but I think with everything in there, we're gonna make it work and it's gonna look good. What else we got here? Shout out Big Ron's. The floor trim in these vans, like where the seats go into these, they're always gross and crusty. So he went ahead and made these for us. Shout out Big Ron's, and no, he won't make them for you. We're just special. And let's see, that's what we got here. I want to kind of mock up a piece of the interior paneling and see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, still a little bit dirty in here. Don't judge us. We've been on other projects and I've been moving, and you know how it is when you have other projects. This one's next though. That's why we have all the paneling for it now. I think this is gonna look really good when it's all tied together with whatever carpet color we choose, which we're gonna circle around to in a little bit because we need your guys' help with that. With the carpet in here and all of the panels looking like this, it's gonna look really good. So this is the plaid of the seats that we have already in here. And this is this plaid. So not exact, but I'm really happy with how close it is, honestly. This is the old paneling. It's every single piece was ripped and thrashed. So I'm really excited to get those new pieces in there. Now, on to carpet questions. All right, guys, so carpet question. Matt's probably gonna come up in a few weeks. We'll get all the interior paneling in, but the next steps after that is gonna be carpet. So we want help trying to figure out, should we go darker? Should we match, like, you know, what's on these paneling pieces right now, like this darker blue? Should we do lighter blue? Should we do something completely, totally crazy? Comment down below, let us know what you guys think. Thank you for letting me show off all this fun interior that I found. We were really stoked to find something that was matching. So yeah, and also thank you for liking and sharing and subscribing, telling your friends. It means a lot, helps grow the channel, and it keeps us excited to keep making videos. So thanks for hanging out with me again in the Pacific Northwest, and I'll see you guys next time.
Oh, hey, what's up, brothers and sisters? This is a little PSA to let you know that Rolling Heavy Magazine will be in Davenport, Iowa this coming October 8th. The Mississippi Valley Fairgrounds for the Iron Invasion's last gasp. That's right, we got a whole building to fill with vans, so if you got a van, bring it on out. That's this October 8th, Mississippi Valley Fairgrounds, Davenport, Iowa. Iron Invasion's last gasp. We'll see you there.